In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ignition lock cylinder on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the side of the steering column. On the bottom of the steering column here, we have the bottom half of the clamshell. We're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver and go up inside here, loosen and remove the screw, securing the two together. Go ahead and drop that screw out. Now what we want to do is reach on both sides of this here, and we're going to pull this down. And what we're doing is basically releasing the tabs, locking the two pieces together. Turn the key to the on position. Now on the bottom side of the lock cylinder here, there's going to be a little tab or button right here. We want to go ahead and push in on this, and then the lock cylinder will come out.
If you're coating a new lock cylinder, what you can do is take out the old lock cylinder so you can match the key. For this one, there is a little tab right here. Just push on that with a straight blade screwdriver or pocket screwdriver. Rotate it counterclockwise. Slide the cylinder out. And you can see the tumblers in there. This is what a tumbler looks like. And on the tumbler, there is a number. And you can see this tumbler is number 1. This is what it looks like. And we have 1 through 4. Each one is different. So when we pull the key out, you can see the tumbler comes up. We can pull that out. That first one is a number 3. And it's a good idea to write this down. And then the second one is going to be coming out the other side. So you want to be careful and not have them all fall out at once. And that one is a 2. It alternates back and forth. Next one is a 4. Another 4. And a 1. So our pattern is going to be 3, 2, 4, 4, 3, 1. So you want to write that down. When you're coating a new lock cylinder, you're going to have these little springs, and those go right where the tumbler is there. So make sure those are in there. Just push those in. And you want to use new tumblers. You don't want to reuse the old ones. First one's going to be a 3. Yes. So that goes in there. Next is a 2. That's going to go on the other side. And we have a 4. Another 4. Three. And then a 1. All right, those are all in. Take your key, make sure it's all the way down. There's a little piece right here that slides up. When the key does not work right, you should watch that go down, which it does. Then we're going to carefully slide this back into the housing. Turn it clockwise, make sure it works, and that's how you code the lock cylinder. Now you can install it in the vehicle.
Now if you're going to use an unchipped key, you're simply going to turn this back, pull out the key, and you would have already set the tumblers to this here to operate with this key. Now if you're going to be replacing the chipped key with another chipped key, you do have to have this programmed. You can have this programmed either by a locksmith or by the dealer. But either way, using the chipped key, you definitely want to get that programmed, otherwise you won't be able to start the vehicle. We want to go ahead and install our lock cylinder using the unchipped key. You're going to take that key, and you want to make sure that you have the key turned to the position where the lock tab is soft. If it's too far, it'll be locked and it will not collapse. So you want to make sure that goes in all the way. Go ahead and line this up. Push that in. Go ahead and turn the key back. And that lock cylinder is now locked into place. And install our lower cover here. Snap that together. Go ahead and put our screw in. And just snug it down. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.